All right, so here's a quick video on how to edit websites quickly with AI. Just figured I'd jump on here and do this video live and just kind of document the process here. So let's jump into it. Let me share my screen. Boom, boom. So I am using Hostinger, which is amazing. Amazing platform. You can build regular websites on here. These are all the options right here, nicely listed. Hosting our website builder, that's what I originally started with. AI powered drag and drop website builder. Now it says AI powered. It used to just be a drag and drop builder. I'm gonna have to look into that. I think maybe they're integrating the AI prompting into the website drag and drop builder. So then you have best of both worlds, which is like, that's like the ultimate, like, I don't know how it could get much better than that. Like if you can prompt AI and then use the drag and drop builder as well, it's going to be super nice because sometimes you just want to quickly drag and drop or click and edit a text. But using the AI to build websites and apps, that's what I've been using for like all my clients in the last year since this came out. As soon as it came out like a year ago, I've been using it for every new client pretty much. So for the last year, hosting our Horizons, that's just the website builder you prompt with AI and chat with AI, and it builds the website or any type of app or anything. And then you have WordPress. You can create a nice WordPress website, and it's all linked up nicely with Hostinger, and you can manage it. Super nice. Hostinger, super nice, especially for WordPress sites. I've only done a couple in my life WordPress websites since I've been doing this. Nowadays, I mainly just have used the drag and drop builder, which is nice, easy to use. When I kind of first started, did a couple WordPress websites, and then now it's pretty much all hosting or Horizons. But you can also like upload a custom, fully custom coded website or something. And then this, I'm not even sure. I never really use those. But these are the three main things that Hostinger has here. But yeah, you can see these are all Hosting Horizons sites with these logos. Here's a WordPress site, Hosting Horizons. You can see Hosting Horizons, all the logos here. This is a drag and drop builder. Drag and drop builder site, drag and drop builder. So anyway, let's jump into it here. Let me find the right one. I believe this is it. Yep. Okay, so click edit site. Once you have one, if you're creating a new one, then you can just go to that list, that pop-up list, and select which website you want to create. All right, so now it's loaded up. You can prompt AI over here. You can see the prompts that I've already gone through, the chat that I've had with it. So all the chats are saved. You can look back. It's just like a text message thread with AI. It's crazy. But yeah, and then here's the website over here. So what we want to do is, let me check for the adjustments that I need to make here. So we'll start with, we'll just do one at a time. Actually, there's only a couple quick updates. So we want to change the name first off. So like up here, you should see it change this, like it kind of created like this logo sort of on the website, which I can specify that more clearly down here. You can see we need to change the name, so I can be a little more specific, which even if I just put this, it would probably change it across the whole website. Because the name is the name, of course we want it changed across the whole website, but I'll just type and be a little bit more specific just to make sure. Change name to, change name across, I can't spell. So we'll just be a little bit more specific, make it nice and clear for the AI. Change name across the website to, boom, right there, and send. It's as simple as typing a message, and then now AI is going through. You can see it's going to build. It's pretty cool. It kind of shows like the code preview over here. Like it's the code that it's going through and building. Gives you some nice little tips right here. You can read while you're waiting, and then it shows working down here. And then it tells you what it's doing. I'll update the business name across your entire website. Boom. So hosting Horizons is very good. It's really good. I've been using it since the very beginning when they first launched a little over a year ago, back in February 2025. Now it's May 2026. And like I said, the whole first year that it's been out for since the beginning, because I was already using Hostinger for the drag and drop builder and for a couple WordPress sites. But then as soon as they came out with this, oh man, I tried it out and I was mind blown. It's crazy. And now you can do this with a bunch of different softwares, like even with Google Gemini. I know you can like build a website and everything with that. Haven't tested it out much. Like there's all these different AI tools and softwares, and you can build websites with them and generate images and all that. But Hostinger is just an amazing platform in general for WordPress websites, for hosting, for like daily backups and stuff, for setting up custom emails and adjusting like managing domains, purchasing domains. Like they have a lot of nice stuff, and the interface is just super nice and clean, and the layout of everything is super nice. So and then their AI builder hosting our Horizons here is super nice. So it's always been really good. I mean, I've watched it improve when it first came out. Don't get me wrong. Like it would build a website just like this, same thing, but I'd go back and forth. There was a lot of errors, and now it's just evolved quickly, and they've fixed it and updated it. And AI is just in general evolving quickly. That like sometimes I would prompt it and then it would come back with an error, and then I would have to say fix error, and then it would still even fix its own error, which was pretty cool. But sometimes it would drag on and it would pop up. There'd be a lot of errors and stuff, but it was brand new. I mean, this just came out a year ago, and I was first using it. But now it rarely ever comes back with an error or anything. It makes the exact update that you request, and takes it a minute or two, and boom. So you can see it updated the name at the top. This is a nice clean example too for you guys. Ald's Reality LLC Real Estate. Updated it at the just a nice simple update there just to show you. And then let's see. Okay, let me pull this up here. Now I just need to get a link, and then I need to add it into the website. So give me 1 second. One second, uno segundo. Okay, trying to find something here. Okay, it looks like I just might not be able to find it. So I won't be able to really show you guys anything else. That was kind of, but that was enough to just seeing the name change, how I went in, it loaded up the site, then you could kind of see how it went through, loaded up, change the name. Very simple. You can do this with anything. So I can tell it to change the background image, the hero section background image, change it to whatever else, and it'll literally pull a picture and find the picture on the internet, or generate an image or whatever. Or you can upload an image right here, and then if you have an image on your computer, you can upload it. You can say, use this image. Once you attach the image, say use this image for the hero section, replace it with this image. So, and then it'll replace this image with that exact image you uploaded. Boom, boom. Or if you just select it, you can also use this, which is super nice. So you're not trying to like do it like what you're trying to edit. You can just click this, and then I can say change this text or change this headline, instead of trying to say change the headline in the hero section at the top of the page and make sure that it, it knows what you're talking about. You can just say, you can just select this headline, and you can say change this text to, and then whatever you want it to say. Or you can select anything. So you can say change this button to a different color, change the text, or have this button link to something else. You can also select the background image, so you can see it's outlined and selected. You can even select this up here, this, anything. The page links, the button up here, whatever, anything you want to select, which is pretty nice. So now you can just it locks onto that, and it knows like, okay, change the about page to about us, and it just reassures it, gives you that extra reassurance that it knows exactly what you're talking about. And then if you go to edit content, this is where it'll pop up like this. So now you're on edit content up here, and then it'll pop up and you can retype things right here. So you can actually type in the text and adjust it. So far, that's all they have. It would be super cool though if this was like the drag and drop builder and I could just like drag this around. I'm sure it's coming at some point in the future. But if I could take this and like just drag it up a little bit instead of trying to prompt AI and say, hey, move this text, the headline up a little bit, but not too much, just a little bit, and trying to explain, like, and then I would hit send, and then I would wait for it to load and process it just to move something up. That's where it can get a little bit annoying. But that's where the drag and drop builder integration with the AI. So now you would have the AI and the drag and drop, interactive builder right here, where I could just, prompt AI when I need to for something, like change the name across the whole website, and boom, it'll go through the whole website and update it. But if I just want to drag and drop this headline up a little bit and move it a little bit more towards the top, and I just want it spaced out just where I want it with just the right spacing right here, whatever, then I could do that. Or I could even click on the text, change the color, instead of saying AI, change the color of this headline text to blue, and then waiting for it to load and process. I can just quickly click it, select it, and change text color, yada, yada. So it'd be like the drag and drop builder, traditional, builder integrated with AI, but also still have the AI. So that's, and that's pretty much as good as it'll get. Honestly, after that, like it won't really get much better than that. I don't think that'll be like, it'll at that point, it'll be fully like upgraded for building websites with AI and drag and drop builder, and boom. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'll just keep this video as short as I can. I have a couple other updates. I just have to like add in a link to this website somewhere, but I don't have the link right now. So hopefully this made sense, and it's pretty simple, easy to use. Once you're set up on Hostinger and you load up the website, and same thing, start a new website from scratch. You just tell it, build me a landing page, and it'll build out the whole landing page or a whole website for handyman or anything. You can even do stores on here and sell products and stuff and have it do listings. You can do for like Stripe and like the store and everything. I know that, so thankfully it's kind of nice. I don't have to use all that. I just build websites like this, not like e-commerce sites or anything. So pretty much it though. Yeah, like, comment if you have any questions on any of this. Comment below. Feel free to reach out to me, and happy to help you out with it. All right.